Hi there, welcome to Power Motion YouTube channel. Today this video, what we'd like to do is provide you 4 different scenarios to help you to decide whether the folding bike is right for you or situation. So the first scenario is intermodal. The word of intermodal is basically you're taking multiple transportation to get to point A to point B. A typical scenario is you may walk to a train station, and then once you get to the train station, you take the train and you get to downtown. And when you get to downtown, you may be taking another bus to the final destination. Having a folding bike will give you the flexibility. So a new scenario is you'll be riding your folding bike to the train station, you fold up the bike, and then you take your folding bike into the train, and then you get to downtown, and when you get to downtown, you unfold your folding bike and you get to the final destination. Here in Calgary is actually quite nice because during the rush hour, you cannot take a regular bike onto a C train or bus. But with the folding bike, as long as you can fold it, you can take it on the bus or a C train during the rush hour. So it's just a really convenient way and a flexible way to travel to point A to point B with a folding bike. So the next scenario, what I like to talk about is recreational traveler. Recreational traveler, what we mean that is basically you either own a boat or RV or plane. In all those situations, when you get to the final destination, you either have to rent a car or walk or take public transportation. So in all those situations, if you have a folding bike that you take it with you, then you would be simply unfold the bike and be able to start riding it. Another situation is just basically your typical airline traveler. Recently, I just made a video about how to travel to Cuba. I took the exact same bike to Cuba. So basically, if you're going to be travel to France or some other foreign country, you can actually pack a 20-inch folding bike into your suitcase and check it in as a luggage. And when you get to the destination, you can either have a choice of riding your folding bike, or you can just basically take your folding bike and put it in a taxi and get to the point A to point B. All right, so the next scenario is your casual recreation fitness commuter rider. A car wreck generally costs you about $300 to $600 depending on the quality that you're going to getting. But for that kind of money, you can actually take the money and spend it on a folding bike where you can completely secure your property. So if you have a folding bike, basically you fold your bike, put it in the back of the trunk, you're totally secure. You don't have to worry about anybody touching your bike in the bike rack. All right, so the next scenario is basically you're the person that live in a downtown apartment with limited storage. So basically you can take your folding bike, take it to your apartment or take it to your resident and put it in your closet or put it under your desk. We just have a customer just came into our store and basically complaining that she lost 2 bikes over the 2-month time. And the situation is she locked her bike into the bike cage in the basement. Some homeless people, they break into the basement and then break into the bike cage and steal the bike. What can you do? So having a folding bike, it just basically, again, giving you that confidence and the security totally worry-free. And you can just basically compress it. If you have a closet that you have a little extra room, you can put it in your closet. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you find all the information that you like. I hope you're one of those situations that you intended to get yourself a folding bike. All right, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.